Menteri Berdepet Ketenat Boarding, UAT Mondal, hadian balada banyak syong jingelang bat Menteri Berdepet Ketenat PWD, Uba Prestun Tensong, Kihe Officer Ketenat PWD, MEECL, lembat ki Officer ke IIT, mentakesngi, ke Arpo Kendai Tarik Naitung Hajar Arpusau, ula pentip baya ke Jingkieng Dam, en Plie Noh na Baroh Arliang, Naduh kalai po Tarik Naitung Hajar Arpusau, tangba en syak tang yaki kalirit, bat en empat syak yat yaki kali, kiba ke Jingkieng kalong palat ya kasau matrik ton.
For the Umiam Dam and Bridge has sat under the chairmanship of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Timshong. Were also present the Chief Secretary, the DGP, District Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, then the officials from PWD, MECL, and also our consultant from IIT. We had a threadbare discussions, and after all the discussions, it has been decided that from tomorrow onwards, the bridge will be open both ways, and this will be only restricted to, as per the earlier order, restricting only 4 metric ton of vehicles, not above the 4 metric tons. There will be further notification later on, and when that notification will come, I will call you again and explain the situation. So this is the present situation as per the status of Umiam Bridge is concerned. See, as the construction work was going on, so the through which this water was taken out, this got blocked, so water could not go. Now we have removed all this blocked. Those seepage water now can easily pass through. Second thing is that we have gone for some more holes to carry out the water. So there won't be any question of water logging there.
Just one final question from my end, sir.
Yeah. The IIT professor was with us, the consultant. He was with us only, because I was making sure that he should be present to this meeting. That's why, as he was busy, first he was out of station. Second thing, that he was in charge for the introduction of 1,100 IIT students, freshers, into the college. So he could not give us time. That's why we have come to the end of our target date also. That is the reason.
Is it not irony that you are spending?
That is there, but see, 19 crore money is spent to not only for bridge. Bridge component is around 64 lakhs only. Our major concern is the dam. So in the dam, the major chunk of money has gone. And moreover, not only that, this is a regular repair and renovation is also there. There is another component of around 2 point some crore, where we are going to paint the radial gate, we are going to remove the old rubber seal, put the new rubber seal. We have put the spiral gate to go on top of the main structure, and then also that catwalk new we have put. So all this, there are 3 components. One component is civil work. The civil work is basically for the dam. And second one is the electromechanical work same time. The third thing is that the retrofitting of the bridge, which is around 64 lakhs.